When you browse the web or drop into a game, the digital experience feels seamless and instant. But beneath that polished screen is a strictly physical world of raw electricity and lifeless metal. Before any internal hardware can wake up, the machine needs stable electricity. The power supply unit acts as the initial gatekeeper, taking the chaotic raw current from your wall outlet or your laptop's battery and converting it into steady, usable power for the system. That steady power flows directly into the motherboard. This flat, sprawling circuit board acts like a grand highway system, physically linking every single separate piece of hardware together. Looking at this diagram of the motherboard's layout, you can see how it serves as the central electrical hub, routing current to all these empty sockets. Yet, despite holding the entire physical infrastructure together, it is usually much cheaper than the individual parts that plug into it. A powered computer sitting idle is heavily compartmentalized. It is a charged physical grid, primed and waiting to coordinate a team of highly specialized workers. Let's say you hit a key to open a heavy software program. That simple command travels straight to the Central Processing Unit, or CPU. Sitting directly on the motherboard, the CPU is the logical thinker of the machine. It handles every single calculation and instruction required to make that program launch. Here we hit an immediate physical bottleneck. The CPU knows exactly how to execute your command, but it doesn't actually hold the necessary files. To grab those, it has to reach out to the system's deep storage. Historically, that deep storage is the hard drive. This is the massive, permanent lockbox where your operating system, software, and personal photos and videos actually live. The hard drive relies entirely on mechanical movement. Inside the metal box is a physical spinning magnetic disk and a tiny moving arm. Every time the CPU asks for a file, that arm must physically move across the platter to read it, sending data back through a small wire. Solid-state drives, or SSDs, bypass this entirely. They store the exact same permanent data, but they replace the spinning disks and moving parts with highly durable, static memory chips, making data retrieval significantly faster. Even with a fast SSD, deep storage acts as a massive, dense warehouse. Forcing the lightning-fast CPU to constantly dig through that warehouse for every minor piece of data forces the processor to wait, causing the entire computer to lag. To solve this delay, the system relies on random access memory, or RAM. If the deep storage drive is a massive, cluttered garage, RAM is a highly accessible, lightweight tool bag. This diagram illustrates the memory dynamic perfectly. Instead of pulling from the slow pipeline of deep storage in real time, the system preloads only the specific data the CPU needs into the high-speed RAM reservoir, letting the processor grab tools instantly. Because RAM requires electricity, the moment power is cut, RAM clears out completely, while the massive storage drive keeps files safe. While the CPU is busy managing that core logic and memory, it hands off the creative work. Rendering 3D gaming environments or editing video relies on a dedicated graphics card, or GPU. Dedicated GPUs are highly powerful visual painters, making them incredibly expensive. To save cost, some systems use integrated graphics, combining the GPU directly onto the CPU chip. Because it leaches power from the processor to function, you have to run heavy games on lower settings to maintain stability. Meanwhile, the wireless card actively pulls in external Wi-Fi data from your local network, allowing the system to communicate with the outside world without relying on physical Ethernet cables. Pushing millions of synchronized electrical calculations per second through all these circuits creates intense friction, generating massive, dangerous amounts of heat right off the hardware. To prevent the chips from warping or throttling their own performance to survive, the cooling fan aggressively cycles that hot air out of the case vents and pulls cool air in. In high-performance setups, liquid coolant is pumped directly across the components to manage the thermal load. A single executed command requires a perfectly timed relay race across core logic processing, instant short-term memory, powerful visual rendering, and active thermal regulation. A computer is a synchronized physical team. The CPU thinks, the GPU paints, the hard drive stores, and the RAM delivers. By isolating these specialized roles, you can accurately diagnose mechanical bottlenecks in your own system. This diagram lays out a simple troubleshooting path. If your machine struggles with heavy multitasking and juggling programs, you lack short-term memory and need to upgrade the RAM.
If your game visuals are staggering, you lack artistic rendering power and need a stronger GPU. Physical hardware is only the foundational infrastructure. To see how the invisible master software commands these components and pulls the strings, check out our video on every major operating system explained.